That is. Oh god. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh. In an interesting turn of events, I've just hit an already dead deer, trashed the front of my car, and then it got stuck. And I've just tried to drag it up the road, mount onto a fucking curb to try and rip it off. And you can see where I've just had to drag it. Sorry if you're squeamish, but I don't know if you can see this. So yeah, fucking ROP, split at number 2.
Fucking.
Oh my god, look at his face! That's so bad. Poor little thing. I'm so sorry, little dear.
Filming it.
Look at the hair on your bum.
Oh my god.